Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to make easy and fast social media animations in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select this card Illustrator file and let's press S, change scale, and press R, change rotation. Okay, so go to pen behind icon and move the anchor point down. Click selection tool, change rotation 90. So right now let's duplicate this layer with Ctrl D and press R, change rotation. Again, select this, let's change name card 2 and this card 1. Okay, select this card 1, Ctrl D for duplicate and press R, change rotation like this and move to behind card 1. So in this time, select these card layers, move to center, and let's create background. Go to new and solid layer, add name background, click OK, move to behind, and go to effects presets, search effect fill, and let's use this fill for background. Also we can change solid color. For example, select this background and hold Ctrl Shift and Y. And we can change color here, but I want to keep this default color, and click cancel. Go to fill, let's use fill for background. So go to color cube and change color like this. Click OK. So in this time, let's change card colors. Go to effects presets, search effect hue saturation, and select this hue saturation. Let's use for card 3. And click this checkbox for colorize and change saturation and color hue. Let's keep this color green. Let's use hue saturation for card 2. Again, click checkbox and change saturation. And let's see, okay, we can use red color. So in this time, go to shape layers, hold this icon, select this ellipse tool, and let's create new shadow. Click selection tool, go to fill and select eyedropper icon, select background color and change to dark blue for shadow color. Click OK. So change name shadow and move to behind cards. Okay, so right now let's go to window and open Animation Composer 3. And I will add the link description below for how to get Animation Composer 3, and you can watch and learn how to use Animation Composer 3. So let's open Animation Composer and open Starter preset, and to the layer, select these card layers and go to use overshot scale. We can see your example. Click in and let's say animations. Okay, this is very fast animation, and select this card 3, move to right, and card 1 move to right, and card 2. Let's see. Okay, so select this card 3, let's see. Okay, so select this card 1, move to right, and card 2 move to right for layer by layer animation. Okay, let's move to left a little bit. Okay, looks good. But I want to make more dynamic animation for loop or endless animation. So go to Animation Composer 3 again, click Browse, and close this folder. Go to Effect to the layer, and to the layer again, open here. We have a lot of animations. I will use this rotate animation. Select these card layers and go to again Browse. And use this rotate. Let's select and apply. Also we can change settings here, and let's try change this one. Let's see. Okay, this is very high animation, and let's try change this intensity 10. Let's see. Okay, that's good. I like it. So let's select this shadow and go to here, Press S, make scale keyframe, go to back and change scale 0. And make keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, select last keyframe, move to the left. Okay, I like it. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.